Hello everybody, welcome to Spencer Duncan YouTube channel, also known as the Spencer Show. Today we are making fajita tacos. I put some oil in the pan, and you can put some chopped onions on, and just mix them around until they're golden brown color. And when that's cooking, you could add some spices, whatever you want. And I have over here some scallions that I'm gonna cut that I cut up. I cut 4 of them, and then I have this that I bought at Vaughn's, and we're gonna add that too.
What's in that, Spence?
Onions, bell pepper, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and yellow bell pepper, and white onion, red onion.
Nice. All right.
And some lemon.
Okay, awesome. You gonna go stir your onions?
I am gonna stir them because you have to make sure to stir this constantly because you don't want this to burn. And the other thing is, if you don't like scallions and like that, you can substitute it and put some that you like. I'm gonna put the scallions in now. So,
Smelling good, Spence.
yeah, I wish I had smell the TV so they could smell it. I wish you guys could smell this because it smells really good.
And what are you gonna be adding soon, Spence?
I'm gonna add the chicken 1.5 pounds of chicken into the scallions and onions.
Is it boneless, skinless, and cut up?
Right.
Okay.
And all this I got was all from Vaughn's.
There you go.
now we're gonna put some lemon juice on top. And some flavoring. Some fajita flavoring.
So you really want to mix all those flavors, right, Spence?
Yeah.
Yeah.
To get them in there, so all the flavors.
You gotta really stir it. There you go. All that powder needs to be stirred in so it gets all the flavor, okay? And then a great idea, Spence, is some people like to pour a little bit of water to make it sizzle, and it helps with the spices mixing. So just be careful of the steam coming back slowly all around. There you go, bud. Nice job, and it smells so good, Spencer. So you want to cook this for how long, Spence? About
10 minutes.
About 10 minutes until it's all the way cooked through. So Spence, maybe we can show our together. You really want to make sure that you're stirring it all the way. So it's nice to do this and kind of keep it even so it evenly cooks. And we're all learning, huh? And then you keep on stirring that until it's golden brown. So you got a few more minutes of going, huh? Good job, bud. You're doing awesome. And it smells really good.
So this is the chicken with the fajita stuff, the mix in there, and and if you want to add some more spices, you could add paprika.
Does that make it what? A little bit what?
Smoky flavor and spicy.
Awesome. So you would just sprinkle it and mix it in?
Yeah.
Awesome. And the more you put, the spicier it is, right?
Yep. So, I wish that you guys could make some of these recipes that me and Shreen are doing because they're really good.
What do you have to do next, Spence, in a couple minutes once this chicken's about done? Can I help you on this side?
Yeah.
We'll do it together. So if you do it like this, just so that the flavor gets all over the chicken.
We're gonna add the vegetables.
We're adding vegetables next, huh? Alright. It's looking good, Spence. It's almost time for the veggies, huh? What kind of vegetables are you gonna be putting in there?
White onion, red onion, and green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and assortment of vegetables.
Nice. And once your meat starts to look that kind of whitish color on the inside, it's when your chicken's done, huh?
Yeah. Now we're going to put the vegetables in with the chicken. When you do it, I hope you have a bigger pan. This is what I have so far.
So you want to mix the vegetables and the chicken together, right? So that the veggies and chicken cook together. There you go, nice. Yeah, I'll help you out. So real quick, I know Spencer's right. It's kind of full. So we're gonna just kind of slowly mix it together. It's a little bit easier when you have a bigger pan or skillet. But Spencer's a champ, so he's gonna make do with this pot or pan he has. And you just want the vegetables and the meat to cook together. Smells so good, Spence. Good job.
So this is gonna take about 5 to 10 minutes. When you take off, I'll show you the next step. Oh.
And then for about the next 5 minutes while you let your vegetables cook, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna put them, the lid on here to, so the steam could make them more soft.
So we'll see you in
5 minutes.